What's up, Kids Technical? I'm back again with another video, and as you can see, Crave was kind enough to send me out their stand case for my iPhone 15 Pro Max. So now I'm going to put this over here, and I'm going to pick up the iPhone 15 Pro Max because I already have my case installed on my smartphone. But pretty much this is the stand case. The reason why they call it that is because you have that MagSafe kickstand, so you can stand it up on the table or sit it this way and watch videos, so on and so on. But let me give you a walk around the case. So pretty much you do get a nice lip at the top there, as you can see. So if you place your phone flat down on the table, you will have nothing to worry about. But I would say still get a screen protector on there so you can have even better protection. Buttons are nice, clicky. I like how they sound. No problem there. That's the power button. There's your volume up and down button. Nice and clicky. You actually get a little cover button over your alert slider, and that is nice. Running along the sides are some little lines. I don't know how well my camera's picking that up, but these are for grip protection, so you get better protection holding on to your case. It's like your fingers are sitting in these grooves. It's 3 lines there. On the bottom here, you get your cutouts at the bottom here. That looks real good. At the top, nothing. At the back here, you do get a nice ring, a nice lip for your camera. So if you place your phone flat down on the table, you will have nothing to worry about. This has like a little frosted grayish color on the back. It feels like matte almost. Yes, it'll pick up fingerprints, but overall this case looks good and it feels good in the hand. I'm glad it has those little ridges for grip protection. I don't have to worry about this slipping out of my hand. So now let's take it over to their well, let's take it over to Amazon so I can show you how much this will cost you if you wanted to pick it up for yourself. So right now this will run you $29.99. This is what it looks like here. As you can see that, this is what it looks like. Pop out stand, camera protection. Yes, it's MagSafe, so you can throw one of those MagSafe wallets on the back if you're someone that does that. It's just showing you the protection. It says strong protection. It comes in clear. This is the clear one. You get the black one, and that is the one they sent me over. It comes in frost green. It comes in green. It comes in navy. Not bad. It comes in purple. And it also comes in slate. So that is not bad. You get 5 or 6 different, you get 6 different colors here that you could go choose from with this case. That is nice, but this is what it looks like. Yes, and it says Crave right here, as you can see that. Well, I hope you found this video helpful, and I will drop a link in the description to where you can go pick this case up for yourself, and I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.